Yo, guys. Today I'm here by myself because look at this. Got the bootses. Got these. Then we got these, bro. I barely have enough for any of these. Oh my god. So, should I change my look? Should I get this boy? I really like him. Really like it. I like it. The egg I don't like. The egg is bad. But look at this. Boots. I can walk around, bro. My boots on. I can't get the boots. I can't get any of these below, but I could get these, bro. I'll get this. I'm getting it. I'll have 1,100 because I need it. Yeah, bro. I can no longer be called Mr. Top FVR, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Drip. But I'm just gonna keep this. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I got the new hat, bro. Drip. Yo, bro, honestly, this is just the drippiest thing I've ever seen, bro. My trap hat was distinguished and stuff, but this is just drippy. I don't think I'm going to change my name, because that's like, how you guys going to find me, bro? So, hope you enjoyed the video, and